Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to configure the workspace in TwistedBrush. TwistedBrush Pro Studio allows you to work in a mode with reduced controls so that there is more space for the drawing canvas. To select full screen mode, go to Toggle Full Screen in the View menu. As you may notice, most of the controls in this mode are hidden, but the title bar and menu remain. You can switch back to the standard view by clicking on the Toggle Full Screen option again. To quickly switch back and forth as needed, you can also use the F3 shortcut key. In TwistedBrush Pro Studio, the drawing area is the large gray background area in the center of the application. Within this area the canvas is displayed. This canvas defaults to be in the upper left of the drawing area, but this can be adjusted. You can center the page in the drawing area by enabling the center page settings from the Preferences dialog in the Edit menu. Or you can move the canvas to a desired location by holding the spacebar while dragging the canvas to position freely. The same can be accomplished with the Pan tool. In TwistedBrush Pro Studio, the paint control panels by default are docked on the left side of the application space. However, these panels can be undocked to allow you to work in a way that works best for your style. To float a paint control panel, right-click on it and select the float option. Notice that the paint control panel area is automatically adjusted when some of the panels are undocked. When undocked, the paint control panels can be freely placed anywhere. To dock a paint control panel, right-click on it and select the float option again. You can undock and dock all paint control panels in a similar way by right-clicking and selecting the Float All, Float None option. All these settings are also available from the View menu. To show or hide the information panel, click on the left sidebar.